In a we jerk chicken pon my girl.
Why me a bun a blood clot fire pan
Shenseea, you a fuck up with culture.
Go suck your mother, don't go back in no jerk pan. Sorry for all the bad word, but I know something have to make them feel. Shenseea, don't make Romies put you back in a no more Jamaican bum buckle at jerk pan. Listen me. You see, I want if you know, so we have a really intense spiritual feeling about cleanliness and feeling about towards the food, brother. And not just if you see with food clean. I want if you know, so just by you stand up in a jerk pan, then nobody know what more one or more blood clot jerk chicken. I wonder if you know that in a real life. Just by you standing up in the jerk packet. I wonder if you know that. I'm done try to get rid of KFC already. I wonder if you know what you do to me career too. Yeah, Romish right now. Romish. You see Romish, and then them things I have to burn your fire pirate because you now use real talent. So it result in you have to put your personal life on stage. Brother, listen me, man. Listen me, man. Me know why you fuck up with chicken, brother. Then I put one bag of slime and I can't see if it blood clot people and I'm down there with you. And me I try to get it out of people in the stomach and they still in me down and I then don't let me chicken then go a cup cold. Ask me for lie. Me know why you do this, the dirty girl Shenseea. Why you come out with a banana boat or something? Eh? Why you come out with a wheel or something? I come out in a blood clot dread. Come on, that dreadlocks then, man. You fuck you come out now with jerk chicken pan. Don't fuck up a culture, girl. Don't fuck up a culture with a fuckery. And talk about this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica, you pussy clot. Somebody don't, you see no man don't get a jerk chicken pan. You pass no man don't get a jerk chicken. No fall up, no chicken the pass and pork in a jerk chicken. Hey, girl. Don't fucking get me upset, you know. You pass no man don't get a jerk chicken pan. Romies, wall down there. Romies, listen me, man. Tell the people why TJ lift up. If you two want to stop bringing them in our career, yeah? Because I never want to in the Romies. Tell the people why TJ lift up. Because man, now I'm going to sit down and watch you and them said J upon the grill, you know. And that don't lick nobody chip, you know, because now do it. And now I'm going to give them attention for that. Every man now them put, hey TJ, lift up. If you lift up already, lift up again. Don't make it worse, get it down. Can you see what they end up on you? Come on, put bumbo clat. Loud.
Yes. Welcome, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know, so you're watching Negus Speaks. My name is Negusimara. Welcome. You understand? For the people that want to subscribe, just hit the button. You know what I mean? Just hit the button and fasten your seatbelt because it's going to be a journey. You understand? I'm glad that the channel I blew up now because it a move in a direction I like. I don't seem to appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments them. When I comment, I want to share on the perspective. I'm like that because my perspective shouldn't be the only perspective, even though on my channel and I pray. My perspective should not be the only one. So if you disagree, just disagree. You understand? We are one family, same way. Man, I want you to go, yo, am I real or highway? No, sharing a perspective, even if you disagree. You understand? Yes, the brother moves strong for Shenseea, the man. You know what I mean? Rastaman come out strong for Shenyang. You know what I'm saying? But we'll go over the video again. I'm going to share my 2 cents because really and truly, I don't agree with nothing what the man I say. I know it's kind of early for me to say that, but I don't agree with nothing what the Rastaman I say. As a Rastaman, you're supposed to be more intellectual than that, G. I would have started moving and we're going to dissect the video. You don't know my usual review. We're going to dissect the video. So, here goes.
In a we jerk chicken pon my girl.
Why me a bun a blood clot fire pan Shenseea?
You a fuck up with culture.
Go suck your mother. Don't go back in no jerk pan. Sorry for all the bad word, but I know something have to make them feel. Shenseea, don't make Romies put you back in a no more Jamaican bum buckle at jerk pan. Listen me. You see, I wonder if you know, so we have a really intense spiritual feeling about cleanliness and feeling about towards the food, brother. And not just If you see we food clean. I want never know say just by you stand up in a jerk pan, then nobody know what more one or more blood clot jerk chicken.
What? What? Just by her going in the jerk pan, people now go on no more jerk chicken. You're right. But what kind of people now go on eat jerk chicken after Shenseea come out in a one jerk pan? A new one, might I add, we never used before. People who are illiterate. That's who. The same people them when I want to eat rum and raisins ice cream no more because the policeman said the woman kitty tastes like rum and raisin ice cream. That's illiteracy. That's madness. You're not going to eat jerk chicken because Shenseea come out in a one jerk pan? What if that was a metaphor for her being hot or her performance is sizzling? Why only have to go to sex? Is it that we ban or no, we're not ban like that because we learn in our environment. Sex depend them man your mind 24/7. Sex depend them man your mind 24/7. And it's crazy how adults think this way. People not gonna eat jerk chicken no more because Shenseea come out in a one jerk pan. That's madness, fam. That's madness, fam. What if she's just saying, oh, yo, my performance I got hot or me hot? Cause them say, yo, Jamaica a little bit with tolerance. Suppose Shenseea say, yo, my well spicy. And spicy not in a mean with seasoning. You know what I mean? She could have a nice spicy attitude. But sex come to your thing when she come out of the pan. But anyway, I go continue.
I want if you know that in a real life. Just by you standing up in the jerk packet, I want if you know that. I'm done try to get rid of KFC already. I want if you know what you do to my career too. Yeah, Ramesh right now. Ramesh. You see Ramesh, and then them things I have to burn your fire by because you now use real talent. So it results in you have to put your personal life on stage. Brother, listen me man. Listen me man. Me know why you fuck up with chicken, brother.
Well, I'm going to pause that real quick. The G speak with such passion. I have no choice but believe say you actually mean them thing. What you mean the man bringing personal life on stage? What you mean the man bringing personal life on stage? The man tell you say him eat woman like jerk chicken? Did he tell you that? Or you just assuming that's the case because on the mind upon sex 24/7? We are some smutty people in a man. And even if Ramesh perform the oral practice, whose business is that really? Maybe because I'm an adult now and I grew up, I'm a mature, me no business when nobody want to do in them bedroom. When me the younger, yeah, yo, man who have this type of nature, you know what I mean? Them man, yeah, and the man them who perform the oral practice. It used to be part of mind, yo, brother, lava! Yo, re. But now that I'm an adult, I really don't care about who want to do what, brother. It not have nothing to do with me. Because you want to know why? The girl them who carry out the oral practice for me, I really appreciate them girl there. I'm not shame them girl there no more. When time you see in high school, the girl them used to do it to me. And then me with my idiot self still ashamed the girl them where do the oral practice for me. So because Ramesh bring out Shenseea, and this is a crazy thing, you know. That could be Shenseea idea, you know. But because you want to shame Ramesh, you talk about, oh, Ramesh, you bring a personal life on stage. What? Brother, come on, bro. You's an adult, brother. Use a brain, my G.
Then don't I put one bag of slime on and I can't see if it blood clot people them down there with you. And me try to get it out of people in stomach and they still in me down and I then don't let me chicken then go a cup cold. Ask me for lie. Me know why you do this the dirty girl Shenseea. Why you don't come out on a banana boat or something? Eh? Why you don't come out on a wheel or something? I come out in a blood clot dread. Come on the dreadlocks then, man. fuck you come out now with jerk chicken pan?
She for come out in a banana boat. A banana boat. That is used by foreigners when Jamaicans land in them country as disrespect. And she for come out in a banana boat. Your mind so nasty that you disregard our attempt of showing you something with symbol. You're gone to sex, but you rather she come out in a one banana boat, which is disrespect targeted to islanders, because them say we come at them country illegally. So yo, what's up banana boat? Them feel like we can't take plane and come at them country the right way, so them disrespect we by calling us banana boat. And she for come out in a dreadlocks and weed. The stereotype for Jamaicans, all them do are grow dreadlocks and smoke weed. And that's what Shenseea do. You're not thinking straight, my general. You're not thinking straight. That's a madness we are talking about. And you disrespect the girl and call the girl dirty girl. Big woman thing, my general. Is this what them teach? Rastaman we're supposed to keep and care the empress them, my general? At this we are the right now, I disrespect woman. No, me can understand if Shenseea was some loose girl and some little dirty waste girl, we are harm society. But at this you put on the internet, and when her son get older, at this Shenseea I go see when she get older. Nothing but disrespect. Rastaman want to keep in and caring the empress them. We know that Shenseea behavior is not that of an empress, but she's still a woman, don't it? And she's not acting like them girl out in a society where use and abuse man. Shenseea is actually working for fear bread. And you gotta style the girl as dirty girl and she for suck her mama. No, Rasta. Can we continue?
Don't fuck up a culture, girl. Don't fuck up a culture with a fuckery. And talk about this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica, you pussy clot. Somebody don't, you see no man don't get a jerk chicken pan. You pass no man don't get a jerk chicken. No fall up, no chicken you pass and pork in a jerk chicken. Hey girl, don't fucking get me upset, you know. You pass no man don't get a jerk chicken pan. Ramesh, wall down there. Ramesh, listen me man. Tell the people why TJ lift up. If you want to stop bringing down your career, yeah? Because you never want to in a Ramesh. Tell the people why TJ lift up. Because man, now I'm going to sit down and watch you and them shed you up on the grill, you know. And that don't lick the body chip, you know, because you know do it. You now going to give me attention for that. Every man and them put, hey TJ, lift up. And if you lift up already, lift up again. Don't make it worse, get it down. Because you see what they end up on you. Come on, put bumbuckle loud.
And these are some of the people who procreate and bring forth life and then them pass on that craziness, that crazy mentality onto the children them. This is what we are dealing with in Jamaica. This is the thought process we are dealing with in Jamaica. Zin? This is the thought process we are dealing with in Jamaica. And first of all, Rastaman, why are you concerned with chicken? Why are you concerned with chicken? Rasta no fear name chicken, brother. And you bring up pork. Oh, a chicken and pork alone for in a jerk pan. Why are you concerned with the chicken, my G? We didn't have to talk about the pork. Why are you so concerned with the chicken, my G? You're supposed to eat green. You're supposed to eat vegan. You're not supposed to use no butter. You're not supposed to drink soda. You see me? You're not supposed to drink nothing where processed. You're supposed to eat greens and drink natural juice and water. But yet still a company internet and disrespect the young lady. Because of how you personally live your life. So what if Ramesh eat the kitty cat? How that affect your life? You gone to sex when it could be a metaphor for her being hot. Cause for one, the coal hot, or that jerk the chicken, or the spice, or the jerk chicken hot. Or if Shenseea could have tell us, yo, she have flavor. But you're not gonna eat jerk chicken because she come out of one jerk pan, which is brand new, never used yet. Because she never come out with no coal pan her clothes. So it's obviously a brand new thing. And Ramesh have the arm, the tongue, and him stay so. But you know like that, she should come out with a big head spliff and dreadlocks, though. And if she did do that, the Rasta community would have beat her. I said, oh, she perpetuate the stereotype against Jamaican. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. Come on, Rastaman. Come on, Rastaman. You of all people shouldn't be concerned with the chicken, my G. Don't concern with the chicken, my G. We are worried about the chicken for. You're not supposed to eat meat, brother. You're supposed to eat greens. And if we want to get more serious another thing, you're not supposed to use no spoon and no metal fork and no plate. You're supposed to eat out a calabash, but generally, you're not supposed to eat out of and eat nothing with man-made and man-process. If you want to get technical. Zin? And I hope say, them car seat there, where you have in your car, I hope say them no leather. I hope say your steering wheel no have no leather upon it neither. You're not supposed to have nothing where come from animal. You're not supposed to eat nothing where come from animal, Rastaman. Oh yeah, deal Shenseea, sir, brother. Shenseea is a Jamaican gem, my general. Shenseea is a Jamaican gem. When we gonna have respect for celebrity, we put up on the map. You know what? Eat jerk chicken no more because she come out of one jerk pan. Would understand if she come out of one jerk pan where I use and a man goes to woman throw some coal in that jerk pan and light it up back and put the jerk chicken on it. That's not sanitary. That's not sanitary. So I wouldn't eat jerk chicken where I come out of that pan there. Because it's not sanitary. But you're worried about Shenseea coming out on jerk pan where nobody never eat or use out. This is the third process we have in Jamaica. This is dangerous. Yeah, disrespect the girl. Like the girl and nobody. I don't like that, Rasta. Come again. Do better, brother. Do better. Yeah, you don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Let me know how you personally feel. You understand as I say? You don't have to agree with nothing with me say. Because my way is not the highway. Just keep it respectful. Don't move like that, brother. You're not going with the most way with the profanity and try to disrespect people. Because anybody can be disrespectful. You see, when you're disrespectful, or you move or you call somebody out of them name and them thing there, it goes to show you don't have nothing no person. You're attacking feelings. You don't want to have no form intellectual banter or back and forth. You go straight to feelings and disrespect. It shows you don't really have nothing no person. It's clear. It's clear. You understand what I deal with? It is clear. Shenseea, big up yourself and continue to do the right thing we are doing. Continue to work and support yourself and your son. As a single mother, you do a damn good job. Big up yourself. Rastaman, do better. And if you have this type of thought process, just reevaluate yourself and come again. Come again. You don't know, my name is Negusimara. You're watching Negus Speak. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's grow the family. You understand? You're one nation. One nation, one nation, one nation. Bless upon yourself. You don't know. Up move.